Sometimes in electronics you don't have a value resistor that you want, or you can't use it for one reason or another. We have a 470 ohm resistor here protecting an LED from 9 volts. We're getting about 15 milliamps of current, a little bit less than that. We instead could use a couple series resistors. So 330 is a common value and 150 is a somewhat common value. You put them in series, connect them to end, and they add up to about 480 ohms of resistance. So we're going to end up with about the same amount of current. Here we have the power supply. We can see the current that it's outputting, and I set a limit of 40 milliamps of current there so that the power supply won't provide anymore. So that's the currents added up. That's one thing about parallel circuits or components, is their total current adds up. If I yank an LED, now we cut the power to one circuit, and we have about 15 milliamps of current, a little bit less right there. We put it back, and there you can see we have twice as much current because we got the two circuits, and there again we have about 15 milliamps of current. So again, these are approximate values, and this power supply is not as accurate as a multimeter. Red LEDs drop about 2 volts from series components, so that leaves about 7 volts across the 470 ohm resistor here. Now we got 2 resistors in series, we got about 7 volts across the 2 of them, as you can see there. But about 2/3 of that voltage approximately goes across the 330 ohm resistor, because it has more resistance. Well, about 1/3 of the voltage goes across the 150 ohm resistor, because it has about half of the resistance of the 330 ohm resistor. And of course, if we remove power, we can measure the resistance directly. So it looks like we're a little bit shy of 470 there. These are not precision resistors, and we may have some errors in our measurement or something. But there you can see we got a tiny bit more, which we expected before. And we got about 330 on that one, whereas we got about 150 on this one if we measure them directly. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you turn the multimeter off when you are done with it.